Welcome to DataTerrain. DataTerrain assisted a global enterprise in reducing costs and enhancing operational efficiency by migrating from Alteryx to Microsoft Fabric Flow and Power BI. The company faced rising license costs, limiting user access and increasing expenses. They needed a scalable, cost-effective solution with full functionality. DataTerrain used a fixed-cost, automated migration strategy, ensuring seamless conversion of workflows and Power BI reports with minimal client input and no disruption to operations. The migration resulted in significant cost savings, with the client recouping costs within a year and benefiting from ongoing savings that supported their financial goals. The client commended the seamless transition and migration speed. Following the project's success, DataTerrain is now handling additional migrations, strengthening our partnership. With 270+ clients globally, DataTerrain specializes in cost-effective, automated BI migrations. Contact us to learn how we can help reduce costs and ensure seamless transitions. Book a free demo https://dataterrain.com.